Hello everyone. This is our project. It's called BitMedic. So the idea behind this project is the whole process of finding your doctors and transferring doctors and just keeping all this paperwork. It can get really messy and disorganized all that soon. And we want to create a central portal centered around the patient so that they can have access to all their files, all their prescriptions, and they can also quickly change doctors and find doctors in our portal and also order prescription medicine. So that's the idea. And we also have a doctor side where they can give those prescriptions out and look at their patients and upload new test results and stuff like that. So without further ado, I'm just going to demonstrate the features. So right now I already have a doctor account. So first I'm actually going to show the patient side account. I think I created the account already. I guess I need to make it right now. So this is the register page. Let's say I'm a patient. Do that real quick. And yep, I'm a patient now. And I don't have any doctors as of now, but I can add one. So Dr. 1, I go ahead and add him. So that's Dr. 1. And then we can look at a little bit of their profile and then go back. Now I have the doctor. I have no files as of now. So what I can do is I can upload some files. So essentially, I guess you can argue that I'm just gonna add random stuff from one of my classes. Okay, yeah. Now if you look at those files, it tells you who uploaded it and all this stuff. So that's pretty good. And that's for doctors to see. Like if I want the doctor to see some of my files, that will be there in my portal, and any of my doctors can see it. And right now I don't have any prescriptions, but I can definitely add them. And I also have my own profile with this stuff, and I can edit some of this information, like add a phone number and whatnot, stuff like that. But I'm not gonna go too much into that. It's just we have all those features, and then the main feature is now the doctor can also prescribe medicine, right? So when Steve uses patients, right now I have this guy, and I can look at their files. Obviously, like if I click on this, it downloads a file right there. So I can do that, but I can upload my own documents for that patient, like a test result or something. On top of that, this is another important aspect, which is prescription. So right now, if I want to prescribe something, I'm just going to use MetaMask real quick here. Account 1. I'm just going to use a couple of accounts here. Account 2. Sender public. And then sender private, and we're using blockchain because it has this feature where because it has all these private keys, and it also has a unique hash for each transaction, and we want that because we don't want patients to abuse their prescription privileges. So we thought using blockchain would be a good idea. And once you submit, it's actually minting this on the blockchain right now, so it's going to take a little bit of time because it's like a real transaction. Obviously we're doing it on the Rinkeby test network, not on the Ethereum main, because we don't want to lose our money. But right now, if we go on the patient end and look at their prescriptions, right, then we can see that this doctor prescribed me this particular prescription, and if I click on it, I can look at all the name and everything. And this is the unique hash, and if I go to Etherscan, I can actually look at the hash and look at the public and what transaction happened between who and who, which is obviously the doctor and patient, and I can actually order it from inside the thing. So right now I'm just gonna use once again one of my test networks. So public key, let's just say the medicine costs like, I don't know, 0.1 Ethereum or something. Right now I'm just gonna assume that's what it costs, right? And then I'm gonna paste my private public key, and then cost 0.1 ETH, and I'm paying it. And again, it's once again minting this on the Ethereum blockchain, not the main one. And then yeah, order complete, and the patient can no longer, and he can obviously still download the prescription, but he can't misuse it because the order is already complete. And that one also has a unique hash on the back end. So that's our main feature. We want to use the power of blockchain in this case, and it just overall centralize everything. So yeah, thank you for watching, guys.